Draw and learn. Oh, look at this colorful house. Hello, kids. Today we want to draw this house with each other. Do you like it? It's so beautiful. Let's draw with me, kids. Don't forget to subscribe us. Now we want to draw a door for our house. Let's draw 2 windows for our house. The window looks like a square. Please subscribe us, kids. Let's coloring our house. I want to coloring the roof like rainbow. What's the first color of rainbow? That's right, red color. And the second color is orange. Do you know what is the third? Yes, you're so clever. Yellow color. What's the next? Green color. So beautiful, kids. Now I want to use blue color, like rainbow. What's the last color? That's right, purple color. If you like to see my other videos, please subscribe me, kids. Let's drawing 2 hearts for our house. I like it very much. Oh, finished! That's so great! See you in the next video. Bye-bye!